In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon of a paper clip at the bottom left corner and select Pictures at the bottom. Now you can click on the chosen ones right away, or go back to Pictures section and tap on this icon at the top left corner of it. Now you can tap on your photos here to add them, or click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!